interested he is.
Right, you are.
What a nerd.
Oh, come on, Dan. He's just over his head. That's why legal aid only sends accomplished attorneys to try cases. He's young. He's inexperienced.
He just stapled his tie to the table.
What a nerd.
Would you please let her out, Harry?
Afraid I can't do that, Dan.
We are going to be here all night with this chump.
Are you sure you don't want to release just for personal reasons?
Your Honor, my major concern is that the operation of this court continues to run smoothly. Right for the plucking, though, isn't she, Harry?
I thought you two were just going out for drinks.
That's just singles code for Bed City.
Maybe. But what if she thought it was really just for drinks? Then what?
And I've made a horrible mistake.
Next case, Your Honor. Shirt in the cell. Solicitation for the purposes of sexual favors.
How does the defense plead?
Not guilty, Your Honor, by reason of temporary insanity.
I'll go talk to her. Take a 1 hour meal break.
Come on, kid. How about a break? Let's go over and get some sushi. Took me a while to get used to the idea, too.
You have to deal with this riffraff every night.
It's better than working for a cat.
I get $200,000 a year, expenses and use of the company jet.
Okay, it's better than being a cat.
Terrific outfit. Cindy, love what you've done to that hair. Okay, ladies, come on, settle down. That's enough. Settle down. Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
Fine.
I love the way you pause when you're talking.
Not move you, please.
Hey, sister, nice suit. Some kinky guy made me get dressed up like that once.
I love your hair, dear. Is it permanent press?
I see you can protect yourself.
I can't, sure. But what about Miles Seaver? He can't protect himself against some giant corporation with unlimited funds.
Billy, listen to me.
Billy? That's a man's name.
Those are man's legs. We're even.
Billy, I wish you'd reconsider.
Your Honor, I'm just doing what I think is right. It's about integrity. It's about a principle. It's about...
A cat.
Yes, it is. Sometimes you have to take a stand, and that's what I'm doing. I am taking a stand whether you agree with me or not.
I agree with
Of course I don't... You agree with me?
Sure, I probably would have done the same thing.
They told me you were nuts.
Beg pardon?
I don't understand. If you agree with me, what am I doing in jail?
Call it a whim. I have this thing about upholding the law. Billy, what you did was noble. It really was. And as a person, I can admire it.
But as a judge.
Cough up the cat.